Hey, what's going on? The Printer Guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to connect to Wi-Fi with your HP SmartTank 6001 model. So the first thing we need to do is download the HP Smart app. This application is going to be everything we need to print from: photos, documents, everything. And it's also going to allow us to connect to Wi-Fi. So you're going to download this in your app store. It may be on an Apple device or an Android device, but you should have access either way. You're going to allow for the HP Smart app to see your current location, and that will prompt you to get to the point where you can now add a new printer. You're going to select SmartTank 6000 series, and it's going to give you the option to prepare printer to connect to Wi-Fi. You're going to click continue, and from here it is a very straightforward process. You're going to go through some different prompts. You're going to input your Wi-Fi password to begin the connection, and then that connection will begin at this point. If initially it does not work, you're going to go back and try again. Maybe you inputted the wrong password or did something else wrong along the way. Maybe you selected the wrong network. At some point, you're going to be prompted to click on the information button. And all that is to validate that you are actually close to the printer, and because you need the smartphone to be close, at least in the same room as the printer, to actually connect to Wi-Fi. We're going to get to the point where it's going to finish connections. And all that is the Wi-Fi finalizing the connection so that you can actually be connected to Wi-Fi. This printer has self-healing Wi-Fi, which means any network errors that you may have along the way, for the most part, the majority of them, will be self-resolved within the system, which is really nice. Printer connected to Wi-Fi, we're going to click on continue. This is a very good indicator that shows that we are actually connected to Wi-Fi, and now we can proceed with the next step, which will be accepting some different terms and moving along with totally setting up the HP Smart app and having it ready to actually start printing from at this point going forward. If this is your first time setting up the HP Smart app, you're going to have to go through all these prompts. But if you already have the HP Smart app on your smartphone and you're just connecting to Wi-Fi, the process may look a little bit different, but everything can be handled through your smartphone to your printer. So I hope this video ended up being helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions that I'll comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I handpicked 2 videos that are here on the screen for you to watch next. Also consider subscribing to this channel. There's so much helpful content for you if you're a printer owner, and it's just good to have a resource like this for you in the future, whether you're dealing with a printer that's not printing well or you need more printer recommendations. So I look forward to seeing you again in another video.